Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Math Hacks and Jugaad. So I'm sorry that I'm late to bring back a new video because I was busy creating a website. You can see the website link in the description. So you are seeing a multiplication question on the screen. 99 into 888. So I'm going to tell you a trick today in which you can solve these kinds of questions in just few seconds. So I'll put some zeros here. I'll write something here and then I'll directly write the answer. So here is the answer. 99 into 888 is 87912. So today I am going to tell a trick in which you can solve these kinds of questions in just few seconds. Let's see. Guys, let's see the trick. In the last video, I gave a trick for multiplying the numbers with 99, 999 and 9999 and more numbers like this only in the series of 9. But that trick was only applicable if the second number was smaller than the given number, that is 99, 999 or any other number. So I got a comment on the same that how to multiply 99 into 888. So today I am here back with the video to show the same thing, how to multiply those numbers which are greater than it. I am back with another trick. So let me bring my examples first. So 1, 2, 3. Here are the examples. We have got our examples. Now let's see the trick. Just listen carefully. So the first example is the same example that I have taken in the starting. So what I did was I put some zeros and then I wrote something below. So 99 into 888. So according to the trick we have to do, first see the number of digits in the series of 9. Here it's 99, so there are 2 digits. So put 2 zeros after 888. Put 2 zeros. Now below it write the number with which we are multiplying, which is 888. Write 888 here. Now just subtract simply. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 8 1, 17 minus 8 9, 7 minus 0 7 and 8 minus 0 8. So we have got our answer. 99 into 888 is 87912. So this was what I did. Let's see one more. We'll take many examples, so don't worry. 999 into 1113. So there are 3 digits in 999. Put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now write 1113 below it. 1, 1, 1, 3. Now subtract these numbers. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. Again 9 minus 1, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So we have got the answer. 999 into 1113 is 111887. 1111887. So there are 4 times 1 and 887. Now let's see the next example. 9999 into 38951. So again same 4 digits in 9999. Put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and write this number below it. 38951. Write it below it. 3, 8, 9, 5, 1. Remember one thing, that whatever number is given and when you are writing below it, always count 5 digits from the right end, so that we don't create a mistake. We are subtracting and we have to use the conventional way, so start from the right end. So now simply subtract these. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Then again 10 minus 3, 7. 4 minus 0, 4. Then 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 0, 3. So here is the answer. 9999 into 38951 is 3894711049. In this way we can solve these kind of questions so simply. Let's see the next example. So this trick can also be applied to those numbers which are smaller than the given number. It's not only for bigger number, it's for every number. Actually it's only for series of 9, but if in series of 9 one number is given, then it doesn't matter what the other number is. You can easily solve this. 99999 into 8165. 5 digits, put 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write the given number 8165. I'm writing 8165. Subtract 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. Then 4 minus 0, 4 because there was a carry forward. So here it's 4 now. Now 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 0, 8. And got the answer. We have got the answer. So 99999 into 8165 is 816491835. So we can solve these kind of questions so simply. I am also going to show one more application of this trick that I have shown now. So let's see that application. So what I am going to show now is multiplication with 98, 998, 9998 and so on. So let's take first example 98 into 123. Okay, let's take this. So there is a little change in that trick, not much. So what we have to do first, again we have to do is put the zeros according to the number of digits. So 98 has 2 digits, put 2 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. Now subtract the double of the number. 123 double is 246. Subtract this. Subtract 246. And then write the answer. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 2 minus 0, 2. And then 1 minus 0, 1. We have got the answer. 98 into 123 is 12054. Let's take more examples. 998 into 998 into let's take 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's take a number like this. So put 3 zeros because 3 digits in 998. Subtract double of it. So what will be double? 2468. Subtract 2 4 6 8. Wait a second. 2 4 6 8. So just write the answer now. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 4 5. 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 0 3. 2 minus 0 2. And 1 minus 0 1. So we have got the answer. 998 into 1234 is 1231532. So simply we have done. Let's take one more example, last example. So 9998 into 3645. So now again 4 digits, put 4 zeros ahead. 1 2 3 4 and write the double of this number under it. So what will its double? 3645 double it will be 7290. 7290. So 0 minus 0 is of course 0. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 7 2. 5 it would be 4 because of carry forward. So 4 minus 0 4. Again 4 minus 0 4. 6 minus 0 6. And 3 minus 0 3. So we have got the answer. 9998 into 3645 is 36442710. So in this way you can apply these tricks. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I forgot to tell one thing, that this trick can also be applied to 97, 997, 99997 and going forward. But that would be a little lengthy because we have to multiply with 3. Instead of 2 that we are doing in 998, we have to multiply with 3 in 97 and 997 and going forward. So you can also apply these tricks on that if there is a smaller number like 97 into 12. So you can simply subtract 36 from 1200. So this was the important thing that I am telling you now. So bye guys and meet you in the next video. I'll bring many more tricks in this lockdown. So bye.